Hi there, and thanks for tuning in to another cooking video. Today I'm going to do Sardine Bolognese. Now, sardines are very good for you, and this is actually a very nice way to eat them. I hope you enjoy it. So here's a list of the ingredients that you'll need. There's nothing to be concerned about here. The only thing that I would suggest is that you make sure that the tins of sardines are of good quality, and the ones I prefer are actually in brine. So we'll start off with one onion. I know I've got 1.5 here, but they're a bit on the small side. So we're just going to chop these up finely. This is the way I would normally chop up onions. It's fairly straightforward and quite quick. Okay, so we've done the onion. Now we're going to chop up 1 stick of celery. Again, this has to be finely chopped up. Just put them in with the onion because they all go in the frying pan together, along with the carrot. Now it's the carrot's turn. Just chop it up. Now we're just going to roughly chop 1 clove of garlic. I'll put this on a separate plate because it goes in a bit later than the other veggies. Now we're going to make up 500 milliliters of chicken stock. So just put your granules in, and then you add boiling water. Give it a good old stir. I'm actually going to put the stock into a bigger jug because I need the smaller jug to put the wine in. You need 200 millilitres of red wine. So just put your 200 millilitres of red wine into the smaller jug. The wine doesn't have to be anything fancy. Now we're going to open our tin of sardines. Just what I do is I slightly open the tin and then just drain off all the juice, brine inside, and then fork them out onto a plate. So you want 2 tins of this. You can smell this. You can smell fish, can't you? Okay, now it's time to fry everything up. So we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. And just set it on a medium heat. Let the oil heat up. Now just bung in your veggies. And you want to cook these for about 10 minutes. You have to stir them. Just keep stirring. Very colourful, aren't they? Once you put the wine in, they won't keep that colour. Everything goes brown. Which is probably what you would expect from a bolognese. What we want to do now is just use a sieve and just put a bit of flour in. This just helps thicken things up a bit. So just sift in a bit of flour. It's supposed to be a tablespoon, but I think I did a bit more than that, but it doesn't matter. And stir it all in. You want to cook this for a further 5 minutes. Now you add your fish, sardine, bones and all. The bones are edible. Don't worry about it. You won't even notice them in there once this is cooked. Or the skin. Full of omega-3. Right, pop in a bay leaf. So you want 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now put in your red wine, 200 millilitres. You want to cook this until it reduces right down. So you're still on a medium heat at the moment. Put in your garlic. That's a clove of chopped garlic. Okay, it's starting to thicken up now. Which is what you want. Now this is 200 millilitres of passata, which you just put in. You want to cook this for a further 2 minutes. This is basically some tomato sauce, tomato juice. Now put your chicken stock in. And again, you want to just cook this until it reduces right down. Just season with a bit of salt and pepper. When it starts to thicken up, you want to think about putting your spaghetti on. Spaghetti doesn't take very long to cook, but you just got to get the pan of water boiling. Which takes probably a bit longer than actually cooking the spaghetti. You probably want about 400 grams of spaghetti. Well, I'm just taking the bay leaf out there. So at this stage I would have had the pan for the spaghetti on and getting the water to boil. It's thickening up quite nicely now. And that's it cooked, spaghetti and all. So now you just got to dish it up. Put the spaghetti on first. We seem to have trouble with spaghetti, it just likes sticking to itself. You've got to encourage it to separate. And that's about even. I think I was lucky there. Now you just want to put on your Sardine Bolognese. This is actually very nice, it's very tasty. As I said, it's a very enjoyable way of eating sardines. You want Parmesan on yours? That is that. All served up. Just need some Parmesan on it now. Nice bit of Parmesan. Lovely jubbly. Got to enjoy that. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that. It's certainly a different way to eat sardines, and a very enjoyable way as well. I don't think too many people have actually thought of using spaghetti bolognese as a platform for sardines, but it is very tasty. We certainly enjoyed the meal. Please give it a try. It's quite easy to make and you might surprise yourself. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, then please hit the like button. That would be much appreciated. And if you want notifications of new videos coming out, then please subscribe. So, until the next time, bye for now.